Hey everyone, today I'm taking you behind the scenes to explore how electric cars are made. Buckle up, because this is going to be an exciting ride. First, let's talk about the skeleton of the car, also known as the chassis. The chassis is the backbone of any vehicle, and for electric cars it's made mostly from lightweight materials like aluminum and high-strength steel. This keeps the car light, which is crucial for maximizing the battery range. The chassis starts as flat sheets of metal that are cut and stamped into shape by massive machines. These pieces are then welded together with robotic precision to create the structure of the car. Next up we have the battery, the heart of any electric car. These aren't just any batteries, they are large, high-capacity lithium-ion packs. Each pack is made up of thousands of individual cells. The cells are assembled into modules, and the modules are then combined to form the complete battery pack. This pack is carefully tested for safety and efficiency before being installed into the car. Now let's move on to the electric motor. Unlike traditional engines, electric motors are much simpler and have fewer moving parts. This means they are more reliable and require less maintenance. The motor is assembled with precision, ensuring that it converts as much electrical energy into mechanical energy as possible. The motor is then coupled with the car's transmission system, which directs power to the wheels. One of the most fascinating parts of the process is the software integration. Electric cars are highly dependent on advanced software to manage everything from battery performance to driving dynamics. Engineers spend countless hours coding, testing, and refining the software to ensure it provides a smooth and efficient driving experience. This software is then loaded onto the car's onboard computer system. Finally, let's talk about the assembly line. This is where all the pieces come together. The chassis, battery, motor, and software are all integrated into a single unit. Robots and skilled workers alike ensure that each component is installed with precision. The car then undergoes rigorous testing to ensure everything works perfectly. From crash tests to range tests, each car is put through its paces before it's ready to hit the road. And there you have it, a behind-the-scenes look at how electric cars are made. It's a fascinating blend of cutting-edge technology and meticulous craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insider looks into the automotive world. Thanks for watching.